till the day I die.
Welcome on my YouTube channel. So, dear friends, I have now here on the table two pieces of old Czechoslovak or Czech Tesla or TVM mid-range speakers, TVM ARP-150-00. The last number means in this case impedance, so if there will be 4, it will be 4 ohms. These are 8 ohms. They were mounted, for example, in the as a mid-range speaker in the huge 3-way boxes, acoustic quality 315. If you would like to see the exact tech or detailed technical data, you can find them on my website Angelicaaudio CZ, and if you open my website, in the right corner is the Tesla TVM, click on it, and then you choose the reproduktory speakers, reproduktory TVM, and then you can see a lot of TVM speakers with exact technical data and also with drawings. This mid-range speakers are more sensitive than the previous models of hi-fi mid-range Tesla speakers. The sensitivity is in this case 91 decibel, and I must say these speakers are also more sensitive for the hands, for the kids' hands and other, because if you press the cone, it's always damaged, like by this second piece the cone was pressed and here's the cone damaged. So maybe I will try to repair this piece later. This is okay, but we can also see here some small surface damage that somebody pressed it, but with not so much power like this one. Originally these speakers from the back side covered with such a plastic caps. It should be sealed, but it's no problem, we can seal it within a few seconds. And let's try them and you can evaluate the sound.
Hold your head up to the sky, I'm gonna roll with you till the day I die.
Now it is connected directly to an amplifier without capacitor as a filter, so it goes lower than usual when it's connected through the normal speaker crossover. And the frequency range of the speaker is from 500 up to 5000 Hertz. These speakers, as it is usual, are for sale, and I must say this type is very hard to find nowadays in working condition. You can find them later on my website Angelicaaudio CZ under my Intel number 179356, and this is A and this will be B, and I will write there if it is repair the cone or not. I'm not sure if I will do it. So thank you for watching, thank you for subscribing my YouTube channel, and as I always say, if you like my videos you can also join my channel. So once more, thank you and have a nice day.